Good day everyone. My name is Jevelyn A. Perez and today I will be going to tackle about Lesson 2, Eco-Literacy and Place-Based Learning. So, before I will be going to tackle, let me first introduce the meaning of the eco-literacy and place-based learning. So, eco-literacy refers to understanding of ecological system and the relationship between humans and the environment. So, nagpasabot kini sa kahibalo o pagsabot sa sistema sa kalibutan. So, ang place-based learning is an ecological approach that connects learning to the local environment, culture, history, and community. So, usapod kini kapamaagi sa pagkat-on nga konektado sa mga palibot, kultura, kasaysayan o community. Have you heard the word earth dependence? What does it take to be bonded to the earth? To be earth independence or pag-asa sa mundo is to acknowledge that the part of the nature we are to remain faithfully in doing the things which sustain all forms of life on earth. Every man's action has an equal repercussion. So like an old dictum, respect begets respect. Love begets love. We will face the consequences of our actions or lack of actions to be care of our environment. So, in essence, it means that everything is interconnectedness of our actions or inaction have rippled effect, whether in relationships or in how we treat the world around us. The choice is ours. Sama sa giingon ni Michael Stone, this generation, karon nga generation, will require leaders and citizens nag-required og usa ka leader who can think ecologically, maka-think ug maka-understand sa interconnectedness of human and natural systems and have the will, ability, abilidad to encourage, act, challenge everyone to be the citizens our world badly needs na kailangan sa mga kabatanunan. In demonstration, Michael Stone, 2010, held that ecological literacy can manifest everywhere. So, ang ecological literacy is ma-manifest ni siya bisan asa in all aspect of education. Sa bisan unsa nga klase sa education. So, the green school concept does not only comply with the green building. So, ang green school daw is wala siya nag-acquired or nag-comply sa green jud siya nga building or green architecture. But it also pertains on how the school embraces the sustainability principles in the designs of the curriculum. So, nag-base di siya sa curriculum nga tudlo sa teacher ngadto sa iyang mga estudyante. So, it is best achieved when teaching and learning activities are tailored fit to the sustainability needs of the environment and depends ni siya sa environment sa usa ka teacher ngadto sa iyang learning process. So, the community in which we belong. So, kita nabilong ta sa usa ka komunidad. The integration of the eco-literacy is not a curriculum. Add on nor a new subject to enroll in. So, it is adding an important flavor. So, mag-add ka og important nga flavor nga ma-acquired sa imong mga estudyante to the new curriculum. Principles can be embedded. So, ang principle is nakadikit na siya in the development of a competency, of an intended outcome sa iyang kalabasan nga outcome sa iyahang course or sa iyang subject.